It is bottle time for Charlie. My man's getting big. So 5 ounces. 6 ounces now, he's on the good stuff. And then we're going to add on a scoop of vanilla. On a level scoop though, you don't want to, you want it level really. Otherwise it gets bellyache. If you don't put it in level, just scrape up the sides. See that? Nice and level for him. And then wallop. Normally go full fat cow's milk, but we're going semi-skim today, so all we got. And that's it. People wonder how my 8-week-old baby is looking so tonk. The secret's in the way.
Is that nice?
How's he getting on with that now? How much has he done in the 6?
Just over 2 ounces.
Just over 2 ounces. That's why he's so big, isn't it? That's why. Why do you think Ted's so big now? Look how round his shoulders are. We've got a big dog.
Big boy.
Look.
Big boy.
He likes a bit of protein.
Look at this big dog.
Look at that.
Yeah. Do you like that? Is that nice, that vanilla stuff?
Is it nice?
Show us your arms.
Oh.
Show us your arms. What's it all coming out the other end? Hey?
Say yes, Daddy.
You're a good boy. Kiss a smile. Ooh, is that you smiling? Ooh.
He's full up, isn't
Ooh.
he? Get down, Jim.
Give him the rest of that then, because you don't want to waste that.
Jim.
Jim, get down.
For you.
Yeah, give him the rest of that. Keep him
Thanks.
stocked up.
Oh.
Don't waste that, boy. That's vanilla. That's the good stuff. Has he drunk the rest of that yet? Well, he's still got... Come on. Charlie, hurry up and get your protein in you, mate.
Dad, you've got to take his time.
You'll be in the gym soon. Yeah? Do you know how many people will be commenting saying, you can't give your child protein? Obviously we can't. Hence why it's going into my protein shake. That was just to have a laugh, basically. How many of you legitimately at the start of that video thought we was giving our 8-week-old a protein shake? Cow's milk and a protein shake.
Even though he probably would like it.
Well, definitely. How many people in the comments said? Well, everyone's screaming at the phone.
Please don't give your child that.
Bad parents, don't give him cow's milk. He's not allowed it until he's what? How old?
Yeah, about 1.
About what? No, he'll be drinking cow's milk by about 8 months.
You can cook it for about 6 months, but drink it straight.
Cow's milk, 8 months. What do you mean cook it? Nuke it in the mic? That's what you mean. If you want to know what he's on, that's the stuff my bad boy is on. There you go. Anyway, right. Get that on there. Can't get enough of that protein. 24 grams. You know what though? That would have given him 24 grams of protein.
That protein's good though, isn't it?
That would have given him 24 grams of protein.
72 gram protein shake like that.
I know, because I've had 2 already and now I'll just put his extra one in there.
See that? Quick maths.
Quick maths, you are...
I don't know if it's right.
No, it's not, is it? It is right. Come on, bruv. And they call you thick.
That's why I failed maths.
The only thing thick about you is your ears, boy. You know.